Hello there, Star Wars fans and folks. This is Mixerwars, and welcome from a galaxy far, far away to an episode of Mixerwars Unboxings. And right now, what we have here today is the 1/12 scale plastic model kit from Bandai Spirits, from the Star Wars The Mandalorian line, the Mandalorian himself, in Beskar Armor. Yes, we have Mando himself in Beskar Armor. And looking at the box art, we can see we have Mando here, Din Djarin holding the dark saber. Now going off to the side, we can see how he will be built front and back, some poses that you can do with him, and some other information, and some other equipment or gimmicks that he has. Off to the other side, we see Mando himself. Yes, there we go. So let's take a look what's inside the box. First up, we see one bag with three runners. One runner is all silver, no, light gray. Some brown on the other one, and some all black. Second bag contains three runners again. One a darker brown, one a lighter brown, and one all black. I think this will be the stand. Yep. Third bag, we have a dry transfer sheet. One runner with light silver, and one runner, a multicolored runner with dark brown, light brown, and blue. And then finally we have the instruction manual. Oh, we also have a bag for his cape. So let's take a look individually at the runners. So first off, we have runner A. Runner A here has some light gray parts, dark brown parts, some light brown parts, and some blue parts for Mando. So this is it. This is runner A. Runner B is all light gray. Runner C is all light brown colors. Runner D is another set of light gray colors. Runner E is a dark brown color. Runner F is all black. There you go, runner F. Then we do have a SWB. I think this will be for the stand where Mando can be put in. We also have a PCF runner, which will be used for the joints. And then, as shown earlier, we have this dry transfer sheet for the stickers, and a cloth to mimic or for Mando's cape. And yes, of course, the instruction manual itself. Now, if you have noticed earlier, the armor parts here, all of them are just gray color. There is a kit, same kit, but with a special chrome colors for this one. I bought the standard one. So just for your information. So there you have it, Star Wars fans and folks. That was what's inside the 1/12 The Mandalorian Beskar Armor model kit from Bandai Spirits. Again, this was bought from Hobby Toys Laguna. I'll be putting a link in the description below. And please do consider subscribing, liking the video, sharing the video, and viewing other videos. And this is Mixerwars from a galaxy far, far away saying, Until next time, see you!